Namastey Coders, I hope you are fine. So it's time for solving LeetCode 75 problems, right? So before starting with the problem, let me tell you that LeetCode 75 are the 75 problems, or I can say the most important 75 problems from DSA, and these problems are the most probably come into your interview. So please, I have committed to solve all the LeetCode 75 problems uh, in this playlist, and we have already solved the first problem from every topic till monotonic stack, and we are started with the second problem, and we have solved the second problem till binary search tree, and now we are going to solve the second problem from graph DFS. Along with this LeetCode 75, we have also started a series in which we will solve the LeetCode problem of the day. The link of the playlist given in the description, so I suggest you all to go through those videos as well. Those videos are also very important in terms of DSA, right? One more thing, guys. I have also created a WhatsApp group for connecting different coders, for connecting all the coders from different part of the world. So if you want to be a part of a coding community from India to the world, I suggest you all to join the WhatsApp group, right? Link is given in the description box. It's completely free. There is no chit chat there. The only important things will be shared, and we can grow our network. We can create projects. We can do some freelance work, and there are a lot of use cases for a community. So if you want, you can join that. So let's start with the problem. So we will solve this problem in 3 steps, as this is the standard procedure for me to solve any problem. We'll first discuss the details of every problem, then we will try to solve the problem in native approach, then finally we will try to solve the problem using optimized way. So this is the structure of interviews. So your interviewer will also expect you to solve the problem in this structure only. So the problem is number of provinces. This problem is This problem is from graph DFS. Graph BH. Sorry for my handwriting, guys. I am writing on the mouse pad. DFS, depth first search. We can also solve this problem in BFS, but anyways, this is the asked, right? So problem is there are n cities. Some of them are connected while other are not. If city A is connected directly to city B is connected directly to city C, then city A is connected indirectly with city C. Okay, common sense. A province is a group of directly or indirectly connected city, and there no other city outside of the group. Okay, so these are a part of a province, and this is the second province. Okay, you are given n cross n matrix. Okay, this is important. Is connected, where is connected ij equals to 1 if ith city and jth city are directly connected. That's why, that's all, guys. Return the total number of provinces. So this is the basic problem. I hope you solve the problem of number of islands. This is the same type of problem in which we need to find the number of connected number of clusters, right? Or I can say the cluster is number of cluster is a group of connected cities. So we have to find the total number of clusters. So how can we solve this problem? So for a graph, right, we have two ways. First is depth first search, and second is breadth first search. I have discussed in detail about these two algorithms in another video. I will share the link with you either here or here somewhere, so you can click on the video and go through those explanation. So we have two different algorithms. First is depth first search and second is breadth first search. So if you are not aware about these, you can go through these videos first. Okay, so we are going to solve this problem in using DFS because that is asked. So I have already solved this problem. let me explain it to you. So what should we do? So let's say there is this graph in which 1 is connected to 2, and there is other city which is 3. So we will first make a visited array in which we will maintain the log of the visited cities, right? Then we will iterate through all the cities, and if the city is not visited, that means that cities are part of new cluster, right? So let's say I am visiting first, then I will visit all the cities which is connecting to 1. So 2 is connecting to 1, let's say 4 is also connected, and with 4 let's say 5 is also connected. Okay, so I will first in the depth first search, we will go in depth first, right? Let's say there are some cities here. Okay, let's say here. So with the first, I will go to this city and mark this visited, this is also visited. Then I will go to this is also visited, this is also visited, this will get also visited, and then after visiting all these things, I will visit this and this. So all these cities getting marked as visited, right? So they will be part of one cluster, and the answer will be currently 1 because I have found only one unvisited city here. Okay, now whenever I got a city from this cluster, this visited get failed. Like we have visited this city, and then we'll pass this, right? So this answer will not get updated. Then we'll go to this third city. This is unvisited here because this is not a part of this connection, right? So we will this is unvisited, so we will make this answer 2, and we will do the DFS here. So any city which is connected to this 3 get visited. So this will get visited because if city is not visited, city is visited, we will return, and if city is not visited, then we will make it visited, right? So this will also get visited. So using the DFS, we will visit all the cities in a cluster, and if city is not visited, we will visit this using this loop, right? And we will increase the answer. So this is how we are solving this problem. This is the code. Let me explain it to you again. So I'm taking an integer which is answer. This is the length of the this is the size of the matrix. So the size is given n cross n. We are creating a bool. We are creating a visited array in which we will mark city visited if we visit there. I am iterating through 0 to n minus 1, and if I have not visited the city, that means that is a part of a new cluster. So I am making our answer, I am increasing my answer, and I am visiting all the cities which is connecting to that current city, right? So this is the case if I have visited that city earlier. This is the base case, right? And if city is not visited yet, I will mark that city visited here. Then I will iterate through all the connected cities. The given is connected is given like this 0 city is connected with 0, of course. 0 city is connected. So this is 0, this is 1, and this is 2 in our 0 indexed way, right? So the 0 city is connected with 0, of course. This is 0 city is connected with 1, and 0 city is not connected with 3. Okay, this first city is connected with 0 city. This first city is connected with first city, and this is not connected with third. So this is how the connections are given. So I am iterating through all the connection, and if I found if there is a connection between 2 cities, then I will iterate that city also, and if I visit that city, I will return here. So this is how we are gonna solve this problem. I hope you understand it well. I will share this solution with you. I will share the solution with you on the in the comment section also. So I hope you understand this well. Again, I suggest you all to join that WhatsApp group. If you find this video helpful, you can share your suggestions in the comment section. That about that group, if you want, you can add your friends there also. So yeah guys, that's all from my side. Thank you for your time. I hope you have a good day. Thank you.